CM Panchal, exercise number 77. Gentlemen, we are in receipt of your letter of 8th August insisting on supplies of coal under contract, but we think there must be a mistake because having omitted to append your signature to the agreement form sent you a month ago, there is really no contract between us. We do not see therefore how you can have a right to insist upon anything whatever. Para, you will remember that you informed our Mr. Harris when he called upon you in reference to this contract that the matter was receiving the careful attention of your sales manager and that the contract should be signed and posted to us without delay, and in view of your conversation with him, we did not send you a further reminder as we thought that you had found the terms of the contract unsatisfactory and had decided to buy in the open market. Para, however, although prices have advanced very considerable in the meantime, we do not wish to take an unfair advantage of you and will assume that the omission to sign and return the agreement was an oversight. If therefore you will return the contract duly completed by next post, we shall be willing to consider ourselves as being bound to the contract price of rupees 22 per ton for the coal supplied during the past month. We have no doubt that this arrangement will be quite satisfactory to you and now await your reply. Yours faithfully. Over.